welcome back to my show, Find a Reality with Us. So today we are going to talk about some truths which we are grabbing from the hell and presenting in front of you. So we have a guest. She is a very wonderful personality and a beautiful mind. Let's welcome her with a great round of applause and start our today's session. I am not going to reveal a topic. So hello ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
So how are you feeling in coming my show?
I'm feeling very wonderful and very excited after coming to your show.
So I am also excited because you have a very great knowledge about my topic.
Thank you.
So let's start it. I just want to start with a simple question that we have seen our as you know our topic, but our audience don't know.
Yes.
So let's keep it little simple. That we have seen that our topic it happens with everyone. It also includes discrimination. It also includes so many things. Because of it, everyone don't get the opportunities also. So what's your opinion? Why people are not able to get the opportunities because of the religion caste?
So first of all, thank you to calling me in your show. And now, audience, I just want to reveal our topic. The topic is religion. So your question is why most of the people is not able to access and grab the more opportunities. Because in today's generation, people and youth, we can just say that most of the people consider religion as in a negative way. So they are just put it and set the system like this, like opportunities only for this kind of people, this community. So that is the majority, where people set the systems like this opportunity is only for them, this opportunity is only for them. So we just have to aware the people like religion is a faithful thing where we have to accept it in a positive way, and there is no need to discriminate with others person.
Yes, you said right. Discrimination happens in lot in religions. I have seen so many places that because of the religion they are not getting the right opportunities. Talent is not getting right field. In Bollywood, in education, in office jobs, for the career also, people are not getting the correct opportunity because of the religion. So have you ever experienced it because of your caste or religion? Yeah, have you ever seen that?
Yeah, I seen a lots of people like we are from today's generation, so it's on a peak level. So I have seen that most of the people discriminate with the other people like on the basis of their caste, gender, on their language, on their skin tone, on their religion. So discrimination, I can say it is on the peak level in today's generation. People are saying that we are from today's generation, we have our good mindset, we have open-minded understanding, but it is not. In some of the areas, it's also in cities and villages. Some of the places the people faces challenges and less access of opportunities, discrimination on basis of some of the criteria which I already told you. So it is happened in today's era, I can say.
Yeah, because today's generation caste is deciding the value of a person. If a person is from this caste or this caste, the low caste are not getting the
people behave like from the lower caste peoples, like they are not understanding and take the people as a people. They just feel like if we touch other peoples, they feel like they are untouchable. If we touch them, so we just get dirt, and I don't know what kind of mindset they have, because we are living in today's era, not from the ancient time, but still they have that kind of mindset and understanding. So I think they have to wash their mind and just update.
Yeah, they should update and upgrade also.
Yes.
So as your answers are very good. I am nervous because of you. So I just want just little bit let it be funny. So I just wanted to ask that when we say religion and caste, the first thing that comes into your mind?
Faith and peace.
Faith and peace. Okay, because some people when the religion and caste come in someone's mind, they just think about the people who do some work, slaves work, so it happens, the mentality is stuck there.
Yes.
That's why I just asked that question. And the second thing I just wanted to know from you that when you have you ever experienced that when you talk about religion and caste, you have seen the person in front of you is not answering well, they are just behaving rude to you?
No, I have never seen like and felt like that because I am not talk too much other people. So I talk very limited. That's in my in my routine I can say that's my hobby. So yeah, but I have seen a lots of people like in my friends, in my society, community. They felt like if there is a other caste and religion people, other gender people, so other like in front of the people in the second hand, they feel very like I can say very disgusting. They feel very like I can say very bad, very rudely. So yeah, it is happening at Tirzara.
Yeah, it is happening. I have seen this lot of time as when I've traveled or
Yes,
go
yes.
any place that I have seen so many times. So let's talk about the something that we can change or we wanted to change. So I just wanted to know from you how you wanted to change it because you said so many things. There is something conclusion in your mind. So I just wanted to know some conclusions of you.
Well question. Like if I got a chance to change something in the religion, caste and discrimination, so definitely first of all I just want to watch the that people mind who have the like old mentality, like ancient kind of mentality. They have their limited access, limited brain, I can say that, limited mind.
Yeah.
So I have to brain it, like wash it, and I just want to like aware the peoples, like take religion, caste, gender, language, skin tone as a people. Because if we talk about from religion, any caste, so first of all we are people. So first of all we have to show our humanity. So I can say, and first of all, our first priority should be humanity, not any religion, caste, and other things. So you have to be in living in today's generation. Update yourself, update your thinking. So thank you.
As our guest well answer and say so many things and aware you about the caste and religion. I just wanted to say, listen, our guest, she has a great, said so beautifully. So thank you.